Today we're going to customize the Cutie Collection quilt pattern called Mary O. From your dashboard, go to the pattern library. There you can select the pattern you wish to customize. Click on the pattern. Click Customize, Customize, give your project a name, and then Create Project. This takes you into the Quilt Planner where you can begin editing. First, select the quilt and click Edit. Then you can go ahead and start adding fabric. And the first thing you can do is select a specific company, designer, or fabric collection if you'd like to use something specific. Then you simply select the space you want to edit and then start clicking on swatches of fabric. The fabric will go into the space you have selected. Click a swatch, click a space. Repeat until your quilt is completely planned. Now, during this process, you can swap between multiple fabric collections. You do not have to use the same one. You can switch fabric collections. There's also a place where you can upload your own fabric, and there is a video tutorial about that in our blog under Creating Projects and Building Your Own Fabric Stash that you can watch to learn how to upload your own fabric and use those in your project immediately. You can also click on those little hearts in any collection to add it to your My Favorites, and you can use those as well. When you're done, you click Save and Close, and then you can check your yardage chart, and this is where you would add backing and binding to get the amounts of fabric that you would need for the backing and binding. And if you wish, you can then go to the print page to print out your yardage chart along with an image of your project. First, toggle over to the fabric amounts that you want to print by fabric, by block, or by group. Once that is selected, you can then click the print button. Make sure you have the correct printer selected, and then you simply can print out your project. Take that into a quilt shop with you to do some shopping there, or email it to your local quilt shop for fulfillment, or you can just put that in your quilting binder if that is what you choose to do. Once your project is finished, go ahead and reopen your project and click the share button to share it to the public gallery. Click View Gallery page, or you can just go over to the gallery from the main menu, either way. And you can see it just shows an image of your project, and then you can go ahead and click the Facebook button underneath that to share it to your Facebook page. Include the hashtag #MadeWithQuiltster and tag @theQuiltster, and as you type out our tag, you'll be offered options. Click on Quiltster and that will turn into a tag. Then make sure your post is public so that we can see it, and go ahead and post it to Facebook. And that is how you customize the Mary O Cutie Collection pattern from Quilt Basket. We invite you to give the Quilt Planner a try, check out one of these fun patterns, and show us what you create. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.